Now it's available McAfee cars, Vauxhall Mocha in black with front parking sensors, 18-inch alloy wheels, rear parking sensors, let's have a look inside the car. It's got a velour interior with 4 headrests, electric windows on the back, electric windows on the front, and also electric and folding mirrors. It's got a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and Bluetooth. It's got a radio and CD player, air conditioning and climate control, aux and USB port, and also fire safety airbags on the front, on the side and on the back. To book a test and get more information about this car, please give us a call.